Hello my friends, this is Lucy. Welcome back to my art channel. I am Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and we're doing a bloom, a side bloom. I think I call it a side bloom because it's not like a on top where you're looking down bloom. And I'm going to be using these as my main colors, but I'm going to reverse the order that I did in the previous one. So I'll start with custom purple, and it's a transparent color. I think I'm going to put it right here. All right, next we have by Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. Love this color. And next we have by Amsterdam Azu Yellow Deep. So this is the opposite. And I have Pebeo Green Blue, which I'll put at the bottom. And then I have, whoops, I have a custom green. It has metallic in it also. Kind of like a light olive down at the bottom. All right, I can see some bubbles, so let me torch. And let's blow this out. Oh, shoot, you know what? I just realized I put a thin layer of paint, of my pillow paint, and I spun it out, and I forgot to put another layer of paint on. So this is not gonna get too big. I don't know if it's even gonna do anything well. Let's use Payne's Gray as our cell activator. All right, well, let's try it and see. Now I'm loving that color combination in that order, but I did forget to put the pillow paint down underneath. Now I'm going to use a straw to get this up here. Okay, did a little bit. I'll let that set up. Okay, we'll try to do some skewer work. There's not a lot of paint here to work with, but oh, that looks like a butterfly. That's pretty. So pretty. I just love it like that. Too bad that I'm gonna have to add some more paint, I think. Okay, let me so it's not really showing too much. see how beautiful that is? Oh my gosh. But I don't know how big it's gonna, if it's gonna be able to spin out to take up the size I want. Let me add some paint. Maybe to help it spread. I forgot that darn pillow paint. I don't know if that's really gonna, I think I probably need to spread it out. Kind of smooth it out. All right, so gorgeous. But, well, that is how we learn, right? Don't forget your pillow paint. Okay, see if I have this on evenly. Let's scoot it over a little bit here. And I'm gonna spin it out. It's not gonna get too big, probably. Let me clean up this right here. If this was on just a small little canvas, it'd be just perfect. A little bigger. Wow, that is so pretty. It's not really gonna move, so let me, well, I don't wanna risk. It's kind of off center, but I don't want to mess it up. Well, my friends, I'm gonna get you down. Let me talk. Oh, I'm so bothered by the fact that I didn't put my pillow paint down. But I absolutely love the colors. Love, love, love. I hope you do too. Yeah. I'm gonna get you down for a close-up. God bless you. I got to do this again. I got to do exactly the same thing, except this time put some pillow paint down. All right.